Hey everyone! Welcome back to Online Scam Advisor, your go-to channel for honest reviews and scam alerts. Today, we're taking a close look at the Airview Pro 4 drone. Is it really worth your money, or should you avoid it? Let's find out! So, the Airview Pro 4 is being marketed as a high-tech drone for beginners and hobbyists, boasting features like 4K camera, 30-minute flight time, and intelligent obstacle avoidance. On paper, it sounds amazing, but as always, we need to dig deeper before trusting flashy claims. First, the camera quality. It does shoot in 4K, but real user reviews say the footage can be shaky unless you're in perfect lighting. The flight time is advertised as 30 minutes, but most tests show closer to 20 to 22 minutes, which is okay, but not groundbreaking. Next, the controls and stability. Beginners might find it easy to handle thanks to auto hover and GPS, but more advanced users report signal drops and slow response in windy conditions. And yes, it has obstacle sensors, but don't expect it to avoid everything. Some buyers reported minor crashes even with sensors active, so caution is key. The Airview Pro 4 is priced slightly higher than other drones in its class. Here's the big question: is it legit or a scam? The product is real and ships from verified sellers, so it's not a scam. But some websites exaggerate specs and offer limited customer support. So it's important to buy only from trusted online stores, check the warranty, and read genuine customer reviews before hitting buy. Here's the quick rundown. Pros: easy for beginners, decent 4K camera, GPS auto hover. Cons: flight time shorter than advertised. Sensors not perfect. Price a bit steep for its performance, though. If you want a budget-friendly beginner drone, it's okay. But if you're looking for professional-grade performance, you might want to keep looking. That's it for today's Airview Pro 4 drone review. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to Online Scam Advisor, and turn on notifications so you never fall for a scam or a misleading product. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next review. Thank you.